Hi, I'm Brianna with IT Supplies. Earlier this year, Canon made some changes to their aqueous printer offerings, which included new ink sets and replacement models for all of their Pro Series printers. With the new models announced, they also expanded their GP series. Canon now has every aqueous printer you could ever need, with 12 color, 7 color, 10 color, and 5 color models between the Pro and GP series. With 4 ink sets to choose from, we want to make sure you are getting the right printer for your applications. So, when do you choose which and why? Keep watching to hear our recommendations based on a few scenarios. Before I get into the scenarios, I have to share a bit of info about how Canon changed their models. In the past, Canon's Pro Series consisted of 12 color and 8 color printers. The 8 color models were named with an S at the end. So if you had the 44-inch version, it was the Pro 4100S. If you had the full 12 color version, it was the Pro 4100. When Canon released their new Pro Series, they decided to keep only the 12 color printers named Pros, like the new Pro 4600. All the other printers with smaller ink sets now fall into the GP series. So the replacement for that S model would now be the GP 4600S, and instead of 8 colors, it now has 7. The other 2 lines within the GP series have continued on with no changes. This includes the GP 2000 and 4000 with 10 colors plus fluorescent pink, and the GP 200 and 300 with 5 colors plus fluorescent pink. So now there are 4 lines to choose from within the Canon aqueous family. How do you know when to use which? Let's say you work with photographers to produce high-end fine art. You want the highest quality output and need a wide color gamut to accurately present their work. For this, we would recommend the new Pro Series. Some of the benefits of these 12 color printers include deep black density, chroma optimizer to reduce bronzing, and archival ink. Check out the rest of our content to see what else is new and why we love these great printers. What if the goal is to print for color-critical clients? These clients have far-reaching colors and named Pantone colors that need to be hit. For this, you would want the GP 2000 or 4000. The fluorescent pink ink paired with 10 colors gives this printer the largest color gamut of any imagePROGRAF printer to date. It can hit 99% of colors in the Pantone Formula Guide and is the first licensed printer for Pantone pastels and neons. If you're looking for a top quality printer for tough brand colors, the GP 2000 and 4000 are your best bet. Another application could be general printing of posters and banners for indoor use and short-term outdoor signage. These prints would not necessarily be color critical, but still high quality. For this, we recommend either the 7-color GP 4600S and 6600S or the 5-color GP 200 and 300. The GP 200 and 300 have fluorescent pink ink in their ink set, which makes them ideal for printing neon and pastel colors, especially reds, oranges, and pinks. Think retail stores, restaurants, and general company printing. These 7-color S models would better fit for signage, movie posters, and interior decor. I hope these scenarios provide some clarity for where each Canon series fits best. To summarize, we would say to use the Pro Series for professional photography and fine art. Use the GP 200 and 300 for general indoor signage and short-term outdoor signage, like brightly colored posters and banners. If you don't need the fluorescent pink, but want smooth gradients and nearly photographic prints, go for the GP 4600S and GP 6600S. Finally, if you are looking for a printer to hit the farthest reaching Pantone colors for color-critical clients, get the GP 2000 or 4000. If you have other scenarios in mind or questions, leave a comment below so we can get back to you. To discuss your unique printing needs, give us a call at 800-771-9665. We are here to help. Thanks for watching.